Dear friends, today we are going to share a topic of great concern. This is a general awareness campaign about welder safety. I hope you can pay attention. Suntex Fireproof welding blanket is suitable for welding and other occasions where sparks can easily cause fire. Able to withstand spark splashes, slag, welding splashes, etc. Function to isolate the workplace and divide the working floor. Avoid fire hazards that may arise during welding work. It can also be used as a light barrier. At the same time, establish a safe, clean, and standardized workspace. So, how to choose a large area fireproof welding blanket? Processed by special process. Main features: non-combustible, high temperature resistance 550 to 1100. The texture is soft, smooth, tight, and does not irritate the skin. It is an ideal and effective outer protective layer for people who need to stay away from heat sources. And it's very easy to wrap bumpy surfaces. Can be reused without damage. When selecting electric welding fireproof cloth, the following points should be taken into account. 1. High temperature resistance. Look at the high temperature resistance of fireproof cloth. Use a spray gun to burn with full firepower at 20 millimeters, approximately 30 millimeters in the vertical direction of the fireproof cloth. It is qualified that it will not burn through or catch fire for 30 minutes. 2. Warp and weft density of fireproof cloth. Look at the warp and weft density of the fireproof cloth. If the warp and weft density is too sparse, as a result, the welding slag will break through the fireproof cloth, causing personnel burns.